Hello friends, welcome to lecture number 20, that is working with Git in Visual Studio. So Git is a version control system, and it is a really popular version control system that can be used with Visual Studio. So if you are using Visual Studio 2017, that is the latest version of the Visual Studio IDE, then in that particular Visual Studio IDE they have got very good support for the Git. And in this particular lecture we are going to look at how to initialize Git repository, add files, commit files, push, pull, then create branches and view the git log. So over here in the Visual Studio 2017, you can notice that at the bottom of the screen I am right now on the master branch. So when you create a new project, you actually do not see anything over there. So you just see version control, add this particular project to version control, that label you can see. So once you click on that label, you can select the Git. If you have installed the Git, make sure that git exe path is added in the path environment variable. Then you will be able to create a new Git repository, and once you create the Git repository, you will be automatically put on the master branch, and from there you can add the files to the repository. You can view the changes here, like you can see that it is showing 2. It means that 2 files have changed, and you can also do Ctrl Alt F7, that is the shortcut key to access those changes. And when you make the commits, to make the commits, what you have to do is click on that changes button, and then here you can put the commit message, then click on that, and you can also notice which files have changed. Or down there 2 files have changed, and as soon as you make the commit over here, it is showing 1. It means that there is one commit that is available locally and it isn't pushed. So one unpushed commit is there, so you can access that using Ctrl Alt F8. So if you click on that, what will happen is you can be able to, when you click on that, you will be able to push that commit to the remote repository. And to push this this particular repository to the remote repository like GitHub, you can also do that. So right now I have already pushed it to the GitHub, that's why it is not showing those options. But once you create a fresh repository, you will be able to publish your repository on the GitHub. And if you click on this home tab in this Team Explorer, you can see changes, you can view the branches, you can synchronize the project, that is the remote changes will be visible to you. And there are some settings. So to create the branches, you can click on new branch and then create the branch, and you can notice that I have created one branch B1. To check out that branch, just click on that branch and then that branch will be checked out. In the manage branches, you can delete the existing branches, or you can merge one branch into another branch. All these operations you can do. So if you right click on that branch, you can merge from another branch, you can reset that branch. So all these operations are there. Like that, you can delete it. So right now I'm on the B1 branch, so I can delete that branch. So if you want to delete the branch, first of all you will have to switch to another branch, and then only you can delete that branch. So right now I'm on the master branch. As you can see, I'm on the master branch, and then I can delete this another branch by right clicking on that branch. You can also do cherry pick, reset. All these options are available over there. I can also push this branch, and here it is showing the status. Successfully pushed branch V1 to the origin. So that is how you can perform various operations in the Git repository in Visual Studio 2017. So if you have got the older version of Visual Studio, then these options or a lot of features are not available in that. So if you want to access all those features, you will have to download the 2017 edition of the Microsoft Visual Studio. And once the project is pushed onto the GitHub, then you can access that like GitHub URL on the continuous integration servers to run the tests. So that ends our lecture number 20, that is working with Git in Visual Studio. I hope you enjoyed this lecture, and stay tuned for more lectures on Git and C#.NET.